Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to see old stories on Facebook. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open a Facebook application on your Android and iOS devices, and then you need to tap on your profile image at the top right here, and then tap on the gears option here. Now scroll down and get into your information page, and here tap on this activity log, and now at the top left you can see archive. Okay, so just tap on this one and now tap on story archives, and what this will do, this will actually bring up all of your old stories that you posted on Facebook. Okay, and you can also check the dates as well. So that's how to see the old stories on Facebook. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.